విద్యాశాఖ అధికారులు ఐసెట్ రిజల్ట్స్ విడుదల చేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అలా చూద్దాం.
4th rank is Palagulla Rishika Reddy from Nizamabad, 148.34. I think that's enough kada inkoka teachers. Rank 5 is Kotnana Sivakumar, 143.7. Congratulations to all the toppers.
MBA 272 కళాశాలలు 35,949 సీట్స్. అట్లాగే MCAలో 64 కళాశాలలు 6,990 సీట్స్. లాస్ట్ కూడా పెద్దగా ఏమి రాలేదు ఇంతవరకు. సో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి.
Honorable, you can, because I have lost my tone.
On behalf of the State Council, Higher Education, and on behalf of Kakti University, I personally extend a wholehearted appreciation and thanks to our in-charge Vice Chancellor, Vakati Karna Madam. I also extend my wholehearted thanks to our Chairman State Council, Professor Limadev sir, for their valuable support and encouragement in conducting TS ISET 2024. I also place on record wholehearted gratitude and thanks to our Vice Chairmen, Professor Venkatamana sir, Professor Mahmood sir. Also my thanks to our Honorable Secretary, TS State Council, Professor Sri Venkatesh sir, and former convener, Professor P. Amaravani also participated. I thank our Honorable Registrar, Professor Malaredi sir, for having provided the infrastructure facility at Kakti University. And I equally thank all the press and media for having participated in this release of test results. And thank you, and thank you so much.